Okay. Question 2. A person preparing a medicine wants to convert 50% alcohol solution into 32% alcohol solution. Find how much pure alcohol he should mix in find how much pure alcohol he should mix in 400 ml of 15% of alcohol solution to obtain the required solution. Okay. So what we have, so let he adds x ml of solution. So that means 15% of 400 ml plus x ml should give him 32% of 400 plus x solution. Okay. Now you get this one. You have 15 4 is 60 ml plus x. इसको अंदर मल्टीप्लाई we have 32 upon 100 into 400 plus 32x upon 100. Okay. For yeah, इसको कट कर लेते हैं. Now we have 60 ml is equal to, I'm writing ml so that you can understand वो ml वाला part किधर है. X is equal to 32 into 4 128. This is 32x upon 100. Make sure you're not forgetting this 100. This is very important. Okay. Now x हम लोग यहाँ ले लेते हैं 128, इसको यहाँ ले लेंगे. ठीक है. तो x minus 32x upon 100 is equal to 128 minus 60. Easy. इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर लो तो क्रॉस कर लेंगे. This will be 100x minus 32. That will be 68x upon 100. Easy. And this is again 68. Okay, so 68 ones are x equal to 100 ml. That's your answer. Okay. Done.